My video is about removing pop-ups by the site Helipond.xyz. Helipond.xyz is a dangerous site targeting Google Chrome and other browsers. And this site tries to make you pretty scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted applications. Be very careful whenever you see these pop-ups and do not tolerate these fake alerts. Just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully investigating this system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to fully detect and then eliminate all other types of infections which might still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.